Welcome to all students. Today we will have a lecture on development of lateral surface of pentagonal prism. A pentagonal prism, base 20 mm side and axis 40 mm long, is resting with its base on HP and one edge of base is parallel to and away from VP. Now every statement problem has a sentence about the solid position. This is the position of the solid, dimensions of the solids, how it is resting, on which plane it is resting, what is the position of its base edges. This is the orthographic view. From this we can draw the orthographic view of the solid. Now next they give you the cutting plane action. It is cut by a section plane perpendicular to VP and inclined at 45 degree to HP and bisecting the axis. Draw the development. Now after reading this problem, we will have some point clear, that is object is a pentagonal prism. We will get the dimension, the base side edge is 20 mm, that is axis length height 40 mm. The condition, how it is resting on its base on HP. Again the second condition, it is resting on its base on HP. And second condition is which one edge of base is parallel and away from the VP. Away from the VP means nearer to the observer. Now in this they have given the cutting plane action. Cutting plane is inclined to which plane? It is inclined to HP. So single line cutting line is observed in the VP. Inclined to HP, that line is observed in the VP. And position of the cutting plane is that it is bisecting the axis. Bisecting, this word is important. Bisecting means what is the total height of the pentagon, that is 40 mm. Exactly at 20 mm it cuts the solid. At what angle? That is a 45 degree. Next, here the prism as shown. This is the position of the prism. This edge is parallel to VP and this edge means this side is parallel to VP and away from the VP, vertical plane, that is nearer to the observer. Now first XY line is drawn here. Then the pentagon, this 2-3 side, that is away from this VP. This is the VP, this is the HP plane. This is away from the VP and is parallel to VP. First draw horizontal line 2-3 taking distance 20 mm. Then take a protractor, keep a 0 point here, take an angle 72 at the outside or 108 at the inside, mark one point, draw a line at this side, keep the protractor, the 0 should be at here, take a angle 72 degree, mark a point and draw this line. Now take the divider having distance 20 mm, keep the metallic pointer of the divider here, draw one arc. Now metallic pointer at here, draw one arc. Where the two arcs intersect, that is the point 5. And join all these lines, we will get the pentagon, that is 5 sides. This is not a side. This is a rectangular. This is a rectangle which is perpendicular to HP. All the faces are perpendicular to HP. So the single line is observed. Now transfer this projection towards the XY line to draw the front view. Here I have named the same names, only at the head I have added dash dash dash. Next I have drawn the front view. This is the base of the pentagon. This is the top face of the pentagon. What is the height? That is axis height is 40 mm. And we have completed the rectangle. Now we will draw the cutting plane action. The cutting plane action is exactly at center bisecting. Keep the protractor here. 0 point at this point. Take angle 45 degree, mark one point and draw the cutting plane action cutting line here, that is inclined to HP by 45 degree. Now this base part is the retained part. That shape is required of the pentagon. From the basic pentagon we have to cut this portion. Now for that retained portion we have to draw the quantity of the seat. Now we have to draw the development. For the development I have marked this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the procedure for it? At some distance mark 1.1. Now take this distance 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5. What is this total distance? Total distance is perimeter 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5 and 5 to 1. This is the total distance. This is the length, that is total length of the perimeter. Perimeter of the top view. 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20. That is total 100 mm. What is the height of the seat here? Height of the seat is equal to height of front view, that is the 40 mm. And we have completed this is a rectangle. If we fold it and match one line to one line, we will obtain the pentagon. This is a 2-3 edge, 2-3 to 2-3, that is away from the VP and nearer to the observer. These all are the side faces rectangles of the pentagon. 5 sides, 5 rectangular faces. Now we have to transfer this point, cutting plane action point. First we have to look the name. For one edge it has given A point, for 2B, for 5E, for 3C, for 4D, where the cutting plane cuts. We have named it. We have changed the numericals into alphabetical in the same order. Now we have to transfer the same points. A lies on 1, B lies on 2, E lies on 5, 3 lies on C, D lies on 4. Now we have to transfer the same point. Here I have transferred, we have draw the parent projection line. Now A lies on 1. Here is the 1, here is the 1. So mark that point A on the line, vertical line 1, 1. Second I am transferring the point. I will mark here B on the point 2 because it lies on a 2 vertical edge. This is the 5th point, that is the E point, that is the C and that is the D. They are lying on the respective same as they are given in the front. Now we have to join this point A, B, C, D, E, A by the scale because it is a flat surface. Now which part of the object should be shown as a dark line? That is the retained portion. This is the retained portion. Now 1 to A, 2 to B, 5 to E, 3 to C and 4 to D. That are the retained portion. That are the portion of the object that should be kept. And this portion is to be removed. So 1 to A is dark, 2 to B will be dark, 3 to C will be dark line, 4 to D will be the dark line, 5 to E will be dark line and 1 to A will be dark line. Base of the pentagon not come under the cutting action, so this base will be dark. Here is the pentagon. That is the output required answer for the development. If I fold it and bring 1 to A and 1 to A to match, I will obtain the pentagon of this shape. Okay, thank you.